I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your carrier plan supports personal hotspot and your iPhone 15 has active cellular data. Once done, open Settings and toggle cellular data on so the phone can share its connection. Also enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. These make device discovery faster and reduce manual password entry. You don't need to restart now, but updating to the latest iOS prevents unexpected bugs. Now move to set up the hotspot name and password so other devices can connect securely. From Settings, go to Personal Hotspot. Alternatively, find it under Cellular, then Personal Hotspot. You'll tap Allow others to join. This flips on sharing and broadcasts the network. Set a strong Wi-Fi password with at least 8 characters. This prevents unauthorized use and preserves data. If you want a recognizable network, change the iPhone name under Settings General About Name so other devices see a clear label. Once configured, keep the Personal Hotspot screen open to maintain visibility on some devices. Now connect your laptop or tablet. On the client device, pick the iPhone's network name and enter the hotspot password you set. For Apple devices with the same Apple ID, use Instant Hotspot via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. It's quicker and avoids password entry. If devices don't see the hotspot, first toggle cellular, Wi-Fi, or Bluetooth off and on. If that fails, reset network settings from Settings General Transfer or reset network settings. That usually clears stubborn connectivity problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.